Hello everybody. This is just to illustrate that how constructivism and instructivism approach can be used in an online environment to for learners to learn a particular concept. Now, this is my group on LinkedIn called R, SAS, SPSS and MOS for researchers. Now typically we discuss all the topics related to these softwares or any statistical concepts which are related to these statistical softwares. Okay, so I was talking about how to gel the instructivism and constructivism approach. Okay, so here is one such example. I started a post wherein actually I gave some instruction in terms of explaining the difference between a control, moderator and mediator variable. Okay, so I actually gave an explanation here because there usually used to be a confusion between these variables. Okay, the moment I gave this explanation, right, there was a series of comments which itself enriched this particular post. So if you see, there were so many comments to start with. So there are altogether 53 comments in this, including my comments on or while addressing the queries of the participants. Okay, so you see there are so many comments on this, right? And you can see one of them actually writing that I have read all your conversations which I have found very informative. So you can see that this particular discussion actually started from a instructivism approach, right? So wherein I explained the difference between control variable, moderator and mediator variables. But then once the participants understood the basic meaning, they started discussing on that about what could be a control variable, what need not be a control variable, or what is a difference again between a particular variable of not being a mediator or a moderator and so on. Okay, so in this way we can understand that a instructivism approach may be helpful in first making clear about the common grounds of definition for different variables or a concept, and later on, once the basic concept is being passed on to the participants, they can move on to discuss higher end concepts based on that. So that's where constructivism approach may be helpful. So it's a complete combination of a instructivism approach followed by a constructivism approach in an online environment. Thank you.